Yeah. Yeah. Look, well, can we be friends, then marriage? After that, you already know what come next, a baby carriage. This is what I'm talking about. I'm trying to do it the right way. Get it all together because I do it the right way. Know the right way gonna pay off. Live my life the wrong way and all my life and it didn't pay off. What it led to me was death, so I'm doing it for the Lord Jesus Christ that wept for me. See, he died for my sins, that's many. So he redeemed me, brought me back, repented. Do it for my Lord, see, I do it for my Lord, see, I do it for my Lord, see, I do it for my God. Oh, see, I'm feeling this flow. Every time you hear me flow, you already know. Spirit in the line, spirit all in me. See, the spirit is my rider, so you know who I be. Young Shadow D, represent GT, but I represent the Lord first. You know that already. I done put it off in so many rhymes. I already know the Lord signs on my line. See the spirit in me. Say 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 the spirit in me. Can you feel it?